Hey everybody, welcome back to our Life in the Sticks. We had a windstorm here about a month ago, and blew my barn doors off, so I had to build some new doors here. These are pretty cool. Put some good latches on them so they don't blow off again. I need to get metal put on them yet, but yeah, I wanted to show everybody this, but as I was building them, but it just I needed to get them done. It was cold and nasty, so we're gonna end up probably redoing the siding on the whole barn eventually, but I'm gonna put some siding on these. But today, over here, there's a man door for this barn. It's in terrible shape. It's falling apart. I'm gonna build a new one eventually, but I think for today I'm just gonna screw it back together, put a new latch on it here. That's what's broke. So hang around, I'll show you what I'm doing. It's been a while since we've been on. Kind of took a little bit of a break from videoing, and but today, see what we can do with this old door. At least we can use it. I need to get this place cleaned out. It's full of junk, so I need to get it cleaned out. So if I can have access over here, it'd make things a lot easier. What a junk hole. Stick around. Okay, I got some nails pulled out. Gonna save you all from having to watch that. But I'm gonna try to get some screws in here. I'm gonna put some plates or some plywood over these. I'm just trying to save this door for now. Not trying to make it permanent. This old boy that had this before me sure wasn't no carpenter, that's for sure. No mistaking him for a carpenter. This is probably the original door that was on this barn, but I can tell that somebody has patched it or tried to patch it. Amazing how much stronger that got. There's nothing back here to screw that to. Have to drill a couple holes in here. There's nothing back in here on the door for these back screws. Okay, there we go. Done enough. At least we can use it. It's not perfect. It's sagged and the posts are rotted off on the inside, so I gotta fix this end of the barn yet. I did around the door. Posts were rotted off, and they were the middle of the door was 4 inches lower than the sides, so I had to jack it up and put a new post in on each side. Every post in this place is rotted off at the ground level, so I got to fix all those. I'm not gonna put a ton of money into it right now, but it's worth saving. It's a 48 by 80 barn. It's worth saving. So here is the barn door that blew off. Went through our garden fence that I built last year on YouTube, but yeah, it blew them clear over there. But the door's better than it was. At least I can use it. Doesn't have to have that cement block holding it shut. And other than that, thanks for joining. Like and subscribe. We'll try to start getting some more content out here in the next few weeks. We're slacking. We're gonna get our garden going. And I don't know, just we got a lot of stuff going on right now. I could make some videos, so we'll see y'all later.